How to insert an Excel sheet or table in Microsoft Word. So simply copy pasting an Excel table straight into Microsoft Word usually turns into an absolute disaster. The columns get completely warped, your formulas stop working, and if you change a number in Excel, you have to manually retype everything in Word all over again. Today, we are bringing the two apps together so your Excel data stays perfectly formatted and updates itself in Word automatically. Okay, so let's just lock your data spreadsheet together. Firstly, guys, just open your spreadsheet file in Microsoft Excel. I will just choose this sample one. Then just highlight the exact data rows and columns you want to feature, and then press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy it. So I will just go ahead and choose, say, this one right here. Now let's choose it properly. All right, like this, just choose it, Ctrl+C, right? And then, of course, you go back. All right, and then you go back into your document. I will just create a blank one. And then, guys, switch to the document and then click your mouse cursor exactly where you want the table to appear. I'll just choose, just anywhere. Do not use the standard paste command. Instead, go up to the top navigation ribbon under the Home tab. Locate the clipboard icon on the far left and click the small downward arrow underneath the word paste right here. From that drop-down menu, click Paste Special. A small options window will pop up right in the center of your screen. Alright, and with the Paste Special window open on your screen, look at the left side and change the selection from Paste to the radio button labeled Paste Link. Alright guys, so don't do it like I did. If you want to do this properly, copy, for example, if you're doing the web version, right? If you copy your piece of table or whatever else from the web, then open up your Excel, paste it here, then copy it here once again, and then you'll be able to actually unlock the button. Let me see, Paste Special, then the paste link will be unlocked. Otherwise, it will be grayed out. And now we can continue. Next, guys, look at the selection box in the middle of the window and highlight the option that reads Microsoft Excel Worksheet Object. So the very first one from the top. And then click OK button at the bottom. Okay, and as you can see, your Excel table instantly injects into your Word page, looking perfectly crisp and clean. Because we selected the paste link, this table is now completely live. If you jump back into Excel and change any number or label, that change will instantly also rewrite itself inside your Word document without you ever touching a key. And your document layouts and data points are now completely synchronized, saving you hours of double entry work every time your monthly numbers shift. So that's it, guys. If this was helpful, as always, make sure to click on that subscribe and like button.